Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, our final in the Florida's Turnpike series, we continue south on the Homestead Extension at mile 35 in unincorporated Miami-Dade County and stay within the Miami Metro all the way, even though we never enter the Miami city limits.
You've been acting distant. I'm trying to find the issue. Really should've listened. I feel like something's missing. Expressing how you feel is tense when we chill. Please just keep it real. Ooh, you're here, but you're not. Who else got your heart? I know it might hurt, but can you be honest? Be honest. Be honest with me. Be honest. Be honest. Be honest with me. Lately ain't seen eye to eye. You keep your head down to speak. I can tell there's something wrong.
We'll be passing through a rapid-fire succession of communities. First comes Doral, population 75,874 as of the 2020 census, known for its premier golf resort and the open-air City Place shopping district. Sweetwater follows. Its 19,363 residents celebrate strong Nicaraguan roots in restaurants clustered around Dolphin Mall. Tamiami had 54,212 people at the 2020 census and hosts the Miami-Dade County Fair and Exposition each spring. Westchester counted 56,384 residents and borders the main campus of Florida International University, which brings cultural events and Division I athletics. Westwood Lakes had 11,373 people in 2020 and is laid out around a chain of lakes popular with local anglers. Next is Kendale Lakes, 55,646 residents, home to Miccosukee Golf and Country Club and a large county soccer park. Kendall tallied 80,241 residents. Shoppers flocked to Dadeland Mall and the adjacent Metro rail stations. The Crossings, with 23,276 residents, sits beside Miami Executive Airport and the Wings Over Miami Aviation Museum. Three Lakes registered 16,540 people and backs up to Zoo Miami's western fence. Richmond Heights, population 8,944, was founded after World War II for black veterans and now hosts an annual historic weekend celebration. Palmetto Estates, home to 13,498 residents, lies a mile west of scenic Old Cutler Road in Coral Reef Park. Finally, West Perrine, population 10,602, is minutes from Southland Mall and the Gould's Park Recreation Complex.
Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better, I'm a go-getter and I got...
For several miles, an unrestricted SunPass Express lane has run on the left. A double white line now appears, so entry or exit is off limits until the dashes return.
So go ahead, tell me all the ways you miss it, how you want me back in your bed, but I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got...
Exit 25 connects to US 41, the Tamiami Trail, a straight shot west through the vast, desolate expanse of the Big Cypress Swamp toward Naples. Gas stations and civilization are few and far between, so be sure you're prepared before taking that drive.
Own it, I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you helped yourself to somebody else. It's too late, don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Tryna play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah.
Woke up in the morning feeling low again. Dressed up in my garment feeling no shame. Sun is up and making me feel whole again. Me, myself and I playing the right game. Take your hesitations, kick it like a ball. Use your intuition, start with something small. Jump into the water, ride that roller coaster. Listen closer, take off all your busters. That's another getting closer, come on. Come up to the highway. Don't forget your mind, babe. Take it up on Sunday, Sunday. Come up to the highway. Don't forget your mind, babe. Take it up on Sunday, Sunday. Focus on your heart to make it pop again. Go deeper on your love and let it all begin. Open up a window, let the light go in.
On the left is the Snapper Creek Service Plaza, the southernmost plaza on the entire Turnpike, and the only one on the Homestead Extension.
Take it up on Sunday, Sunday.
We slide into the toll-only through lane that bypasses the Don Shula Expressway interchange. If you watched our Miami to Key West series in 2024, you saw us join the extension here. We'll stay in these express lanes until they end since we have no reason to exit.
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say I'ma set up a TV and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. I'ma set up a TV and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. Truth is, I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna. Truth is, I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna. Truth is, I just wanna.
Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up the
Truth is, I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna. Truth is,
Ahead is South Miami Heights, which logged 36,770 residents in the 2020 census. Beyond it, the Turnpike parallels the community of Cutler Bay with 45,425 residents and home to Black Point Marina, then Princeton, Naranja, Homestead, and Leisure City. Homestead's 80,737 residents live near popular attractions like the mysterious Coral Castle and are just minutes from Everglades National Park. Exit 11 is signed for Monkey Jungle, a wildlife park where visitors walk through screened tunnels while more than 300 primates roam freely overhead. The next three exits reach Homestead-Miami Speedway, a 1.5-mile oval that hosts NASCAR Cup, Xfinity, and truck races each fall. Just north of the track, Homestead Air Reserve Base fields F-16s of the 482nd Fighter Wing and serves as a key hurricane relief hub for South Florida.
I've been acting a little crazy. I know you want me, but I can't commit. Really don't wanna make a fuss of it. Knock on my door, I got the key. I'll throw it away on purpose. Been here before, I don't believe in love, I don't think it's worth it. So I go MIA, missing in action, don't wanna stay. Run away, 'cause there's potential that you will break. Break my heart, break my heart, I don't want it. Love, love, dating, love, love, what you started. MIA, missing in action, don't wanna stay. I'm MIA.
We now enter Florida City, the last incorporated place on the Turnpike. With 13,085 residents at the 2020 census, it calls itself the gateway to the Keys and the Glades, and offers airboat rides at the nearby Everglades Alligator Farm.
Knock on my door, I got the key. I'll throw
The ramp ahead drops us onto US 1 southbound at Mile Zero, the southernmost point on Florida's Turnpike, bringing our journey and this mini-series to an end. We'd like to give special thanks to channel members Anthony J. Ken, T-Flow601, Christopher Collins, The Big K, Laurie Smith, and US Ivan Hopper. You too can become a channel member for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Click the link in the description to join. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.